How to enable the Night Owl profile on iOS 15. Step 1. Open Settings app. Step 2. Tap on the Safari menu. Step 3. Tap on Extensions. Step 4. Tap on the Safari extension name. Step 5. Tap on Extension Settings. Step 6. Tap on the hamburger icon. Step 7. Tap on Advanced Options. Step 8. Scroll down to Bulb. Step 9. Scroll in the box to Night Owl. Step 10. Tap on Choose these settings. Open your tab page. Tap on the A icon. Tap on Turn off the lights. Now all open tabs are converted to your personal dark mode theme. And when you tap again, it will return to the default website style sheet. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the Turn Off the Lights channel or click another video to keep watching.